The conversation with Mama did not go well at first. Hello, my daughter. I am Ato Berhane, the owner of this restaurant. I noticed you have come every Wednesday now for the past couple of months. When my mom heard that, she was scared. She had already had to stop going to a few restaurants because old men tried to talk to her. When she first told me this story, I didn't understand why she was afraid of Baba Berhane. He's double her age. But then she reminded me that old Habasha guys sometimes like their ladies much younger. Because of that, she was very nervous. Grandpa saw her panicking and decided to calm her down. Johi, I'm not talking to you because I want anything. My son would like to talk to you, he explained softly. But he's a coward, he yelled. My mom relaxed and laughed. I guess that's all right then. I love the food here. Your wife is the chef, right? I'm not good at cooking. She should write a book. Baba Berhane smiled appreciatively. He loves it when anyone compliments Mama Sahai. Thank you. I'll have to tell her what you said. She might not write a book, though. She's very shy. He replied. That's where my son gets it from. He yelled again. That's okay. Being shy is not always a bad thing, my mom said, looking in my dad's direction. I'm glad you think so. Grandpa shouted again. I see you're studying the grammar of our language. That's excellent. What's your name, my daughter? Whose daughter are you? Thank you, Baba. My name is Dani, but I'm not Habasha, Mom said with a smile in her eyes. Many people had asked her this question, and all of them had the same reaction as Grandpa. What? Then why? Tigrinya is hard. I'm Amiche. Most of the Tigrinya I know I learned from my wife. She's Eritrean. My mom smiled. I'm a doctor's helper, she said in Tigrinya, and Grandpa died laughing. Oh, you mean you're a nurse? Joy, sometimes the real Tigrinya word isn't the one people actually use in real life. Mom blushed. She didn't like being laughed at. Nobody does. But she's always telling me it's part of the language learning process. Once Grandpa could breathe again, after the laughing stopped, he finally introduced my dad. My son's name is Dani too, he said sweetly, knowing he had embarrassed my mom a little bit. He turned around and yelled for the last time, Dani! Nah! My dad came over, but never took his eyes off my mom. My mom didn't take her eyes off my dad either. And Grandpa knew his work was done. Dani meets Dani. And then to my dad with a smirk on his face, he said, if you need me, I'll be in the kitchen helping your mom prepare for the dinner customers. Dad said as Grandpa passed him. Baba Berhane tauntingly whispered in his ear, that's how it's done. Comprehension questions. Why was Binyam's mother afraid of Baba Berhane? Why did Baba Berhane laugh at Binyam's mother? Where are Daniel's parents from? What Tigrinya expressions did you learn in this section? Come back next time to find out what happens next. If you want to follow along with the English or Tigrinya while you're listening, you can find the transcripts on my website. You might already be there if you're listening to the embedded Spotify audio. Tigrinya short stories are produced by CrossGen. We hope to see you next time. Barak ma'alti.